on the high school, just everybody knows nobody should take instruction. All instruction should be from now. Yes. Anybody needs instruction, I also can put their friends on the school. Yes. Over on everybody, and making progress. And I see that in the high speed, only they do now. That is the president in the high speed. So now in our any instructions at home. If it's not so, yes. No other person. I don't know if any day on I got caught. I got more than Southeast. Called 1 hour. I build in and you know, I'm watching. We'll make progress. We'll win the battle. Thank you. Apart from that 30 no that person. When you get on your own in the other, so can it be behind thank you very much.
Alright, depending on your time zone and your location. This particular video was a video by Mr. Maxwell, one of the legal team Mazi Ugo247 posted on his official handle. He actually did this video with Mazi Ugo247, where he was actually asking Mazi Ugo247 about Ndena Ekwoku sit at home in Southeast. He actually made Mazi Ugo247 to respond to it, condemning the action of sit at home. So this was the video posted on his own personal official page after the court sitting yesterday. I'll still play you guys the full video to watch, and then one other video about this injustice that is happening around Mazi Ugo247's trial. And also one of Mazi Ugo247's legal team also spoke concerning the outcome of the court sitting yesterday. So these are more information surrounding the case. Yesterday that now when Mazi Ugo247 get married, this whole situation, this whole trial ongoing, as it has even happened, as it has started already. Because case and been at this place. So again, there were videos from Mazi Ugo247 get play where he was talking about something that you need to hear. But watch the video from beginning to the end. Share your opinions on the comment section and do well to support the video candles on with further updates. Watch the rest of the videos. I'll be right back.
We are happy to announce to the world that the prosecution has finally closed their case today with their last witness, PW5, known as EEE. He came and tendered reports of the NSAS, and in the course of the reporting, he alleged that it was the statements made by Mazi Ugo247 that instigated the damages during the NSAS. And he was subjected to a thorough cross-examination by the defense team under Mazi Ugo247. And as God will have it, we are happy to announce to you that so many things went wrong with his report, including the fact that not even the signature of the chairman or the name of the chairman or the secretary of the report of the committee he claimed to represent was found in the entire report. We are happy to announce to all of us of freedom that the matter has been adjourned to the 18th of July 2025 for a no case submission. In other words, to tell the court and to show to the court that the prosecution merely wasted 10 years of Mazi Ugo247's life by arresting and detaining him for no just cause. So we are happy. We have very short time within which to work. We are going to utilize that very short time and make sure we deliver on our mandate. And our mandate is to provide sufficient defense for Mazi Ugo247. Thank you and God bless you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes. Well, I am very excited to be here as always, even though, as usual, the DSS prevented me from entering the courtroom. But I'm a living witness to history. The first time Mazi was abducted from Kenya and brought here, I was in court to warn them that, in fact, I was one of the few people that came here as soon as they did their kangaroo arraignment, that this case is not going anywhere. And that there's no way, it doesn't matter how long it takes, it's going to end up the way it started, as nothing, and it will end up as nothing, because there's nothing that can stand up on nothing. The foundation of this was malice. It was a suppression of a section of Nigerian people and the violation of the fundamental right of a Nigerian British citizen who was abducted from another country, brought here without due process, and detained indefinitely, even presented from having open and fair trial, which we have seen all over the time. As a matter of fact, today we already had an altercation with the DSS, preventing people from moving around here. But you know, they started by blocking everywhere. Now they are tired, they can't even block half of the road, because you cannot stop an idea whose time is come. And this is what we want them. And I'm glad that they are reaching the dead end that we have predicted. The dead end is that there will be no case submission. In fact, I would have an issue with the lawyers if I were to be involved, because there's no need to even file a no case submission in a case that never existed in the first place. But you have to do your own legal work. And let me use this opportunity to also appreciate all the lawyers and all the people who have stood in solidarity with NNAMDI Kanu. I've said it that if I'm the last person that will stand with him, I will stand with him. Now mine is not political. In fact, the most unpopular political decision to take in Nigeria is to stand with NNAMDI Kanu. So if you want to win election, you know who to stand with, which is the federal government. But I'm not doing this to win election. I'm doing it for the freedom of our people everywhere we might find ourselves. And I believe that if Nigeria is going to become one, it has to be on the basis of justice. We cannot be suppressing a section just that the rest will flourish and think that you can go home to rest. And you have seen it now. Even those people who never believed NNAMDI Kanu a few years ago, they have seen it with what the Fulani herdsmen are doing, killing hundreds of people. They are doing it also in the southeast. They've killed in Ebonyi, they've killed in Enugu, they are killing in Edo, they are killing in Kogi, they are killing people across the country. Imo, yes, there was some killing. So this was what NNAMDI Kanu told you as a prophet. But he has always told me, when I met him in New York, that he's not a prophet. He's just saying the reality of what the Nigerian project is all about. That it was a fake project put together and it can never materialize until there is justice. And this is what we keep advising them. The interesting thing was that there was even a time in 2019 that they charged me secretly with him. I filed the charge here that I connived with him to kill some policemen. So the case never came to trial, and it will never be. So we can't wait to see NNAMDI Kanu rejoin all of us.
All right,
and I'm very certain that will happen. Sure. It's just a matter of time. Yeah. And it doesn't matter how long they do their case, which I never believed in that.
The court is also entitled to change its mind as well, depending on the strength of the argument.
Thank you.
So we hope that they'll change their mind.
They are using it to do experiment against SSS.
Exactly. So there is no way we're going to allow that to happen. My rights must be respected. It's important. My right to fair hearing must be observed and understand that.
They brought him to Kenya into this job and allow him to talk without his
You were talking about your health condition. What exactly is wrong with you, sir?
I have congenital heart failure. Congestive heart failure is called. From the medication you can tell. So they're basically trying to keep me alive. So that when they calculate that I'm about to give up, that my heart is about to pack up, they will now say go. So when I go outside, I will die outside. That's what they're trying to do.
The medications they've been giving to you, has it not been working?
It's not working. If it's working, why would I have all these lumps underneath my...
And he has written a petition to the Nigerian Medical Association where they brought one quack doctor, somebody who is not a doctor, to treat him.
To come and try and treat me.
But up to now, they have not...
They don't know what they're doing. And they know they don't know what they're doing. Or else, why would I have this?
As long as it remains in DSS custody, there won't
be no trial.
So what is your application?
Is seeking for a non-custodial arrangement by the court.
You said house arrest.
Exactly. I don't mind house arrest because I'll defeat them. In this court, I'll defeat the government of Nigeria. Yeah. The whole world will see it. Where is the treasonable felon? Where is it? All these years, journalists are counting treasonable, treason. What's the treason today? It's gone. In some way, this terrorism charge will go. I'm thinking of another capital offense that can charge me with. Maybe, I don't know, impregnating the wife of somebody. I don't know what other thing they're going to charge you.
Saying you are innocent of all these charges.
The federal government, they know I'm not guilty. My only guilt is that I'm fighting for my people. And I will fight for them.
Okay, sir, last
for justice and fairness and equity everywhere.
Last question. As your family been able to...
Anybody using IPOB to commit crime is a criminal. It's not part of this family. Our family is based on 4 cardinal points. You must be without fear before your enemies. You must speak the truth always, even if it leads to your death.
You must help the poor and those who cannot help themselves, and be of good character that God may love thee. That's who we are.
So what will be your words to those out there in the East who are killing in the name of IPOB?
That they are criminals. They are criminals. They are not part of this family. We are called a family for a reason. We've come to serve our people, not to enslave them. Anybody conducting any type of activity that contravenes the welfare of our people is a criminal and must be dealt with.
Thank you very much, sir.
Any form of violence or subversion in the name of Biafra is not part of this family. Our family is noble. It's called IPOB. It's all over the world.
So you condemn anything that has to do with killing?
In total, why would I kill? And violence. People have sacrificed my parents for them. Why would I want to kill any other person after that?
Anybody who's committing crime in the name of IPOB
is a criminal.
My greetings. You see why I don't like judging things quick? Well, I said it earlier, I talk that all these people, both the Giselle and France and all of them, propaganda. Remember, there is nothing that they are doing now that we have not seen. You remember when Mazi Ugo247 and Ifeanyi Ejiofor and the Ezekome and the rest of them, Mazi Ugo247, all of them, you remember how they ended? Even the wife that claimed she went from London to visit him, all of them. Now we na this one. All these things you see Haneme now, all these things they are doing is to deceive you, to deceive people, to make people to come and donate money for them. Finish. No agenda. When you look at these pictures here, you will understand very well, very, very well, that look and the look on Nnamdi Kanu are just the same thing. I said they have played a smart one. Visiting Obatobie is good, but what is the motive? What is the agenda? Why did they go there? Why did they visit Obatobie? Nobody understood me. Now this picture will tell you something that you don't even think or know. Forget what people are writing on the social media. We are with Obatobie. Let me tell you something. Obatobie is with me. Obatobie is me. Me and me. Obatobie, it doesn't matter. If you go there, go kiss Obatobie for mouth. Eat with the same spoon, drink with the same cup of Obatobie. That one no mean say in there happy with you. Remember, in there for a place, and that place where in there no be why you go stay there talk. He go only tell you small thing way before your ear alone. He don't talk to people where he talk to. Make them do what he tell them to do. But forget what you see somebody video and analyze for you. Hey, this, forget them. All this is a strategy to distract or deceive people in donating money. Believe me. Believe me. I don't know what you think. I will make up my time and explain the pictures. Thank you.